Meaning of dispatch.
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 Dispatch. The term dispatch refers to the act of sending off or dispatching something, such as goods or documents. It can also refer to the process of dealing with a task or completing an assignment promptly and efficiently. The result of dispatching something can range from the successful delivery of a package to the completion of a project within the given time frame. Efficient dispatch can contribute to smooth business operations and customer satisfaction, while delayed or inefficient dispatch can lead to negative consequences such as customer complaints or missed deadlines.